Just like all of the DeSite SLG screening machines, the designs are focused around mobility and portability, both to transport to the site and on site when the screener is there. Just like all the other machines, it has these fork pockets designed and built right into the structure of the screener so that you are able to come in with a set of pallet forks, pick this machine up and pack it around. This unit here, up on the riser box, you're looking at about 2,500 pounds. Off the riser box, again, it's about the 1,900. These here are bucket transport lugs, and these are designed to fit directly into the fork pocket slots that are provided on this machine. You'll notice at the bottom of these transport lugs, you'll see there's some pierced holes top and bottom. That's so that you can, once you put it in place in the machine, you can drop a pin in from the back side so that these lugs cannot come back out. So it just adds an extra layer of safety for when you're wanting to move this machine around. These things are installed and uninstalled very easily. You can pull them out